Hey y'all, today we are gonna make super cute Halloween cupcakes, but first, if you are enjoying 2 videos a week, make sure to let me know by subscribing and liking so that I know you're enjoying 2 videos a week and I can keep them up for you. But for today, I'm gonna make the easiest little cupcakes for you to enjoy with your family over Halloween. I am gonna make 3 different designs for our cupcakes, but this is something that you can pick if you like one more than the other. Do a whole dozen of one, it's totally optional. But I am gonna start with a little mummy. So I have my Wilton 47 tip, and I am gonna pipe with my rigid side up. So this is a really simple design. I'm just gonna start on one side of my cupcake and pipe across. And then I'm gonna make sure to leave a little spot for eyes. So I wanna pipe, leaving a little spot right above my line. And then I just fill in. There is really no particular way you have to do this. All of them being different is the cute part. So random lines wherever you think to fit. It's kind of like a puzzle. And then once I have just covered the cupcake, I'm gonna go back with these little eyeball candies and just stick them right inside the little open space. And then you have a really cute mummy cupcake. And then for my next one, you can also do it where you put the eyes on first. So I can just pick a spot for my eyes, and then I can go back and pipe around them. Something to kind of imagine while doing this to help you out is like wrapping someone in toilet paper, or a sibling or family. So you want everything to be covered and nice and tight, but it's not going to be super neat, and that is a-okay. And if you are a really big fan of buttercream or icing, this is where you can put a layer of icing underneath before you start. But the rest of my cupcakes are gonna have quite a bit of buttercream anyway. So these I'm gonna keep kind of on the low side. So now would be the perfect chance to add a little layer if you wanted it. So moving on to my next set of cupcakes, I am gonna make candy corns. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen these because I made them last October, but I wanted to show you exactly how to make them. So you need 3 of the same piping tips. I've chosen the Wilton 4B tip. You can choose anything that you love. But to start, I'm gonna start with my yellow, starting in the middle of my cupcake and piping out just a ring all the way around and stopping. And then I'm gonna take my orange and go right on top, coming in just a little bit and piping another ring around, and then finishing it off with a little dollop of white on top. And then you have the perfect little candy corn cupcakes. This would also be a really good cupcake to do mini cupcakes with. And instead of swirls, you just do little dollops. And for my final cupcake being a little ghost, I have an open round Wilton tip. It's actually a 2A. And for this one, I'm gonna start kind of towards the outside of my cupcake, piping a circle all the way around. And then on top of it, I'm gonna do the same thing. And then a special point or tip I have, when you get to the end, you wanna lose pressure and then kind of flick your wrist, and that makes the buttercream smooth out instead of having like a screeching halt. So when I go up, I'm gonna go around and come up and lose pressure. And then for the final touch, I am gonna take just some black buttercream and do 2 little eyes. And then I'll go back with my finger and just smooth out the eyes so they don't point. And then you have a really cute ghost. There you have it, the cutest set of Halloween cupcakes. But I want to see what you do with these cupcakes, so make sure to tag me in any pictures you have. But ring the bell and subscribe until then so we can change the world one cake at a time.